Pinocchio, the wooden boy made by the kind-hearted Geppetto, was feeling like something was missing in his life. He had always wished for a brother to share his adventures with, someone who understood the trials and joys of being a puppet. One sunny morning, Geppetto surprised Pinocchio with a special gift, a wooden brother, strong and mighty, named Golden Axe. Golden Axe was not like Pinocchio. While Pinocchio was curious, sometimes mischievous, and always learning about the world, Golden Axe was strong and noble, with a gleaming golden axe for a hand. His wood was carved perfectly, and his eyes sparkled with determination. They both stood side by side, ready to face the world together. One day, Pinocchio and Golden Axe heard rumors of a terrible sorcerer who was terrorizing the nearby village. The sorcerer had cursed the land, making it dangerous for the villagers to live peacefully. Pinocchio and Golden Axe decided to venture into the dark forest to find the sorcerer and stop his evil deeds. As they walked through the forest, Pinocchio's usual light-hearted nature clashed with Golden Axe's serious demeanor. Pinocchio would stop to admire the flowers, while Golden Axe would scan the horizon with his golden axe ready, always vigilant. One day, Pinocchio and Golden Axe heard rumors of a terrible sorcerer who was terrorizing the nearby village. The sorcerer had cursed the land, making it dangerous for the villagers to live peacefully. Pinocchio and Golden Axe decided to venture into the dark forest to find the sorcerer and stop his evil deeds. As they walked through the forest, Pinocchio's usual light-hearted nature clashed with Golden Axe's serious demeanor. Pinocchio would stop to admire the flowers, while Golden Axe would scan the horizon with his golden axe ready, always vigilant. Deep within the forest, the two brothers found the sorcerer's lair. The air grew cold, and the trees twisted unnaturally. As they stepped inside, the sorcerer appeared, a tall figure cloaked in shadows, with a sinister smile on his face. "You think you can defeat me, little wooden puppets?" The sorcerer cackled, his voice echoing through the cavern. Pinocchio stepped forward boldly, but Golden Axe stopped him. "We must be careful," Golden Axe said. His eyes glowed with an inner light, but there was a sense of unease in his voice. The sorcerer cast a spell, turning the floor beneath them into a trap of sharp thorns. Golden Axe swung his golden axe, cutting through the thorns with ease, but Pinocchio felt a tug in his chest. His honesty began to feel heavy, conflicting with the power of Golden Axe's magic. The two brothers struggled to align their strengths. As the battle raged on, Golden Axe's magical powers started to clash with Pinocchio's honesty. Every time Golden Axe tried to strike the sorcerer, Pinocchio's honesty would cause the magic to falter, creating a gap between their powers. Pinocchio's true self, built on honesty, could not match the force of Golden Axe's powerful magic, which was based on strength and deception. "You must stop being so honest, Pinocchio," Golden Axe urged, his voice tense. "The sorcerer will only be defeated if we fight together, not just with honesty." Pinocchio's heart felt heavy, torn between his brother's advice and his own moral compass. He realized that in order to defeat the sorcerer, they needed to find a way to harmonize their differences. It wasn't about abandoning who he was, but rather learning to work with Golden Axe's strength. In the final moment, Pinocchio found a way to combine his honesty with Golden Axe's strength. Instead of fighting the sorcerer with force, Pinocchio spoke the truth. "You are afraid of love and kindness, and that's why you've turned to darkness. But we will stop you, because we believe in what's good." The sorcerer's power began to fade, and Golden Axe's axe struck true, shattering the curse. The forest began to heal, the trees standing tall again, and the sunlight shining through. Pinocchio and Golden Axe embraced, knowing that their bond, built on both strength and honesty, had defeated the sorcerer.